How to fix Snapchat snap button on bug. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Scroll down and go to storage option. Here you go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what's next, guys? You have to go right now to permissions option and you allow all this access on this option. After this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.